welcome back to my channel. My name is Cezanne. I am a third grade teacher here in Georgia. This is my 4th year teaching. We are starting this classroom setup, not in the classroom, we're actually in the car. This morning, today is Wednesday, August 7th. Yeah, August 7th. And this morning we had to attend a professional development. And so luckily, normally on these days, and it was a district-wide professional development, and normally on these days where we have district-wide professional developments, they normally are a whole day. My principal told me that we only had to go to one, whether it be in the morning or in the afternoon, and that's only because this year we're starting Fountain Pinnell with the assessments to help us understand where our students are. And so we all had to, everybody in the building pretty much had to attend the Fountain Pinnell training, so that on next week when we test our students, everyone is well aware of what they have to do when assessing the students. All right, so one thing, I'm just going to share a couple of things that I like and that I dislike about professional developments. And then we're gonna get started with the classroom. So this is like a classroom setup / vlog. So one thing that I do like about professional developments is the main reason why I chose this profession, because you get to learn, you get to grow in your profession, and that's something that we have that is different from a lot of professions. A lot of professions is on the job training, which we have as well as on the job learning, on the job training. However, we do set aside days where we go and do professional development, and I take pride and joy in that because or really just joy in it because I can go and I can look and I can learn something new about my profession and grow as a teacher and reach my goal as a master teacher. One thing that I hate, it's a lot of things that I hate about professional development, but the main thing that I hate about professional development, I know me as a learner, and it's very easy to get me off task, especially at times like this at the beginning of the school year when I'm thinking about all the things that I can be doing. So this year I sat in the back near some of my coworkers, and it's very easy for me to get off task that way. So but that's because this session was different from a lot of sessions. This session was jam-packed because the entire district is going to FMP. So everybody in the district, all the elementary school teachers, 2nd and 3rd, were at this session, and they did offer like 5 different sessions, but that just was not enough. And I think some people didn't register for the session and they just showed up and popped in, which is what a lot of teachers do anyway. So but that's one thing I hate. It's very easy to get me off task because either I'm tired, I'm sleepy, or it's a lot of talking going on. They say that teachers are the worst students, and that is so true. I get easily distracted, especially if I'm sitting in the back, which is a lot of the times because I'm always late. So partially it's my fault, but yeah, so that's one thing I really do hate. So this time, and another thing that I hate about professional development, when I cannot make connections, and so it's like a waste of my time. So today was kind of a waste of my time because it was a really good session. However, I wasn't able to connect. It was a lot of people in the room, which easily got me off task. So what I'm going to have to do is do my own professional development and go and look up some videos on YouTube, which is what I normally do. That's my professional development half the time anyway. But I'm gonna have to go on YouTube, go on the Fountain Pinnell website, and I know they have some training videos on there. But yeah, because this was just kind of pointless. Because I got some things from it, but it puts me in the mindset of guided reading, which is what I did the book study this summer, by watching videos of the Classy Sassy teacher. I watched a lot of her book study videos, and that helped me a lot with guided reading. So the things she said in that video kind of came up in this because I think they're kind of the same. They're very similar. So all right, it is 11 25, I am going to head to the school. I'm going to call my mom's friends so we can get all my furniture out, especially now because a lot of people are out of the building and I don't want to hear those comments that normally come up. I know I'm going to hear them, but a lot of people are like, dang, you still moving in and all that kind of stuff, so I don't want to hear that. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to the school. I forgot my mom's two-wheeler, but I know that the school has some things that we can move stuff and move furniture with. So I'm gonna call him and see what time he can meet me. And today I really want to get my eyebrows done, y'all. This is so bad, and I don't know if I can get my eyebrows done today, if I should get them done today or tomorrow. I'm probably gonna get them done today because it's only really quick. And then tomorrow I'm leaving the building early and I'm getting my nails and my toes done. That's my plan. Because on Friday when we have open house, I don't want to be looking like a boogaboo introducing myself to new parents. So, all right, y'all. See y'all in a minute. Okay, hey guys. So last time I talked to you all, it was like 11 o'clock. It is now 4:35. And the reason I'm coming back so late, because we had a meeting and it kind of, it went for about an hour and a half. We had people coming in and out and all those things. So finally in my room, getting back to setting up. All right, so I took out my desk and I replaced them with tables. So I'm going to flip y'all around so y'all can see my setup. And I need one table, but I need one more table, but this is what it's going to be so far. Okay, so right now I have 3 tables. That one, of course, is going to turn around because I know that students sitting on that side of the table, the side of the table that's facing us, they won't be able to see the board because their backs will be to the board. And then, of course, these 2 students won't be able to see because their backs are to the board. So y'all help me out. What can I do that will help me? Well, what arrangement can I make for the tables? Y'all help a sister out. All right, y'all. So I really have like 2 more things on my to-do list. My to-do list, I had to move the desk, arrange my tables, get my guided reading books from the cafeteria, which is what I did. And then the next thing on my to-do list is to print the forms for open house and clean up. So I was trying to clean up now, but I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and print the forms for open house, and then I'm gonna clean up. Really, the only thing that needs to be clean, well, everything needs to be clean, so I'm not even gonna say that. This whole side of the room needs to be clean. All right, so I'm gonna get started. All right, good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day. You put nothing else outside. I'm not. That ain't gonna work. That's why I need another table. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. Today is day let's see, day 7 of my classroom setup, and this is going to be the last day. Sorry for the interruption. I was talking to one of my coworkers. So today's day 7 is going to be the last day of classroom setup. Tomorrow I'm going to simply be prepping for meet the teacher, hopefully. I think that my classroom is pretty much done. I don't need to add anything else. I don't need to do anything else. So I know that this is going to be the last day. So today, my to-do list, I'm going to show y'all my to-do list, and then we're going to get started. I don't think I have any other meetings. I'm going to check my email just to double check, and then we'll see. So let's get started. All right, so this is my to-do list. I need to do all of these things. I got a guided reading library yesterday, so I need to label that. And yeah, simply just prepping, nothing going up too much. All right, hey guys, so as you can see, the first thing on my to-do list was to label my guided reading library. So I basically have to take these stickers excuse me, take these stickers and put them on the back of each book. I don't know if I said this yesterday. I know yesterday was kind of a wash, but we got all new guided reading program, and we pretty much got rid of our old reading program, and we had people who came in and wrote new reading curriculum. So we have a completely new guided reading program, and it's actually like in line with the guided reading instead of the basals. So I'm putting the stickers on the back up here and organizing them, and then I'm going to put them on my bookshelf. And I don't know what I'm going to do with my extra books, so we'll see. But yeah, so I'm going to do that now. Hey guys, so I know I haven't checked in at all today, and I think the last thing you all saw me do was label my guided reading books. Didn't finish. I got called into a couple of meetings, so right now, well, what I did, I just went ahead and finished cleaning up. Fatigue took over me. I did not okay, I did not, let me sit you all down. I kind of like this spot. This may be my vlogging spot. Okay, so I did not finish my to-do list at all, and yeah, so it's gonna be tomorrow's to-do list, which is fine because it's not much and it's things that I can do while like seated. So right now, but what I did do, I cleaned up, got everything off the tables pretty much, except for a couple things that I'm gonna come in and do tomorrow. So I want to just like kind of give you all a tour of my room, if you must, just so it can feel like something is on this video, because I'm gonna combine tomorrow and today, just depending on how much content I have, because I know I had to split up. I was gonna put my first 3 all in one, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna give you all a tour of my classroom so you all can see what it looks like. All right, excitement. All right, so this is an overview of my classroom standing by the door. So we're gonna start here. This is going to be my math center. This chair is going to come out, and I'm hoping that a cubby is gonna come in. I'm gonna put it there, and I'm gonna move this somewhere. I don't know just quite yet, but this is my math center. This is my focus board. It has reading, math, and that's going to be IB down there. I just haven't printed off the letters. I put these pocket charts here for purposes of standards and vocabulary. And then this blank space will be anchor charts or any other visuals that I need to place, and maybe even some work based on that skill that we're working on. This is my computer area. Tomorrow we're going to move these computers and put them in the parent center and put mine in here. Back here, of course, is my printer and my cabinets. This is where my students will be put on display for their good things that they're doing. So Freckle is a math and ELA tool that we use. So my highest scoring Freckle people will go there. I have my Dojo Champ and my IB ambassador, the National Baccalaureate ambassador, right there. Like I stated before, this is going to be my data cabinet for reading and for math. For the first day, I'm going to do some goals, and they'll go on here for the students. Goal setting. This is the most rewarding thing right here that I've done this entire time. So this is going to be where my students work is displayed, and I may even put some writing posters over here. These desks may or may not come out. I don't know if I'm gonna need them just quite yet, so I'm leaving them in my room. And also this is where most of their center material is going. So as you can see, this is my writing center, but like response items, word work bins, and some math manipulatives over there. This is my writing center, and then my word wall. Yeah, so my writing center, my word wall. This is my classroom library. It's in the midst of a change as well because I had to clear these off to put my guided reading books on there, which I'm fine with, and then I have to relabel some things, so that's fine. And my lamp. And this is my teacher area. It's so chunky. This is my command center. So I can put different students' pictures and notes and things like that up there. So on this side, on this whiteboard, I plan to put like my to-dos for the day. Important papers go there. And then just some decor things. Then my teacher toolbox and another shelf that I can put some things on, which I'm probably going to clean that off. This right here is kind of my paper system to keep things off. And my calendar, as you can already see, I have 2 people who celebrate their birthday in the month of August, so their birthdays are up there. Then this is just a whiteboard. I'm thinking about putting my keep the quote here. It may change, I don't know, but it's there for now. And then my mailbox system here, and my carpet. These are our classroom mantra. I was gonna say these are my non-negotiables, which they are, but it's also our classroom mantra. I want my students to own this as their own. So be kind, show respect, work hard. I'll be sure to link it in this video as well, where I got that from. My classroom schedule cards, I actually made these classroom schedule cards. And then all of my IB information is right here. And we're back at the door. So that was just a really quick view of my classroom. Giving you another panoramic view. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed this series. I know it was not that much, however, it was a lot going on. Couldn't do the same that I did last year, so I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was something that you thoroughly enjoyed and you got some tips from it or some tricks or what have you. I had a lot of people in and out of my room a lot of times, so I couldn't record, but it's all right. So this is going to end my classroom setup series today. Tomorrow I will show you how I'm going to set up for Meet the Teacher and all about Meet the Teacher night. I hope that you enjoyed it enough to like and subscribe. Please, and comment your favorite thing from this series from this year and what you're excited about for the new school year. All right, I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.